Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to do the deployment or a publish from your local environment to Azure Functions Runtime, which is on Azure VM. And if you see my screen, I have a virtual machine, Azure virtual machine, and I'm going to open the Azure Functions Runtime, which I have already installed on this Azure VM. I just clicking on this URL and I'm using my credential to log in. I just logging in. Okay, so in this function, I just created two functions here. I'm going to do a publish to this my first time trigger app. And if you want to do the deployment, currently I don't have anything on this. So it is an empty function. I haven't created anything. So I'm going to do a publish over here. Uh, And to do the deployment, you have to download the publish profile. This is a publish profile and you have to download it. And if you want to download, you have to browse this URL on your local environment. Okay, so to browse this URL, you have to open all the required firewall ports uh, to browse this. And I already opened all the firewall ports for this one. And if you see here, this is my virtual machine, Azure virtual machine. I have opened all the firewall ports over here, and I am going to access this URL here. Okay, so this is the URL. I am browse this URL from my local environment. If you see the same URL, I have browsed from my local web browser. I downloaded this publish profile, and it exists over here. And this is the Visual Studio. I'm going to do this deployment, and this is a very simple time trigger app which just logs hello world and C# time trigger function executed uh, at at what time it executed. So it is going to print that. So it is not a big C# code. It's just going to print the values in Azure Functions Runtime. Okay, so I have downloaded, and if you want to publish this, you have to browse this the downloaded publish settings, and then you can do the publish. To do the publish, just right click and go on publish and start and import profile next, and this is the publish. Okay, after clicking on publish, then this particular page will get loaded, and you have to, if you want to change the username, password, credentials, you can edit here. And usually you have to provide the RDP admin account that needs to be provided over here. And once it is download, once you downloaded the published profile, and you can see here. Okay, and there is one more changes that needs to be done on this published profile. If you open here, okay, so this is the published profile, and you need to add a couple of profile tags, that is use ms deploy exe and allow untrusted certificate. Okay, so if you have a trusted certificate, it doesn't require. So if it is not, you have to edit the downloaded profile, and you can do the publish. After clicking on publish button, you can see here this publish was successfully completed, and only thing what I have added is use ms deploy exe and allow untrusted certificate. Both the both the settings I have enabled, and apart from that I haven't made any changes. It was successfully published.